Greetings, good more earnings, and good more earnings lalong-lalo na sa Thanksgiving party right now ng Team Ultimax under Team Bros. Congratulations, 12 months have passed and we need to celebrate for all the achievements that you have. Napakaraming members na sumali, dumami ng dumami. Napakaraming naging silver executive, naging gold executive, naging global ambassador, naging millionaires club under Team Ultimax and Team Bros. Congratulations! Napakaraming nabago ang buhay, nagkaroon ng sasakyan, nakapag-travel for free, nakagawa ng maraming nilang mga pangarap at natupad ng kanilang mga pangarap sa buhay and sa kanilang mga business. Happy holidays guys! Congratulations! By 2026, I'm wishing you the best because 2026 is the year of the fire horse. Fire horse, meaning kinakailangan grabe ang paghataw by 2026. Grabe ang pag-market, ang pag-close, ang pag-duplicate, ang pag-training, ang pag-celebrate. So by 2026, there will be more and more. More of you achieving your dreams, more of you doubling your income, doubling your network, or probably even tripling your income and tripling your network by 2026. AGG's year is 2026. We will dominate 2026. Tuta Tawala 2026, and I believe there'll be more of Team Ultimax and Team Bros making it to the top 20 and top 50. Congratulations and God bless. More power.